So today I'm going to be cooking one of our calorie smart recipes, this very colorful steak and blue cheese salad with roasted veggies and walnuts. We'll have dinner on the table in about 40 minutes. Let's get started.
Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Celsius with a fan. Then peel and slice the onions into wedges. Roughly chop the bell peppers. Peel and slice the carrots. Trim and roughly chop the zucchini. Add the vegetables to a lined baking tray, drizzle with olive oil and toss until fully coated. Roast for 25 minutes until browned. Heat a large pan with a drizzle of olive oil over high heat. Meanwhile, pat the steaks dry with a kitchen paper. Once hot, add the steak and fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until cooked to your liking. Transfer the steak to a plate and leave to rest for 10 minutes. Once rested, season generously with salt and pepper. Once the vegetables are done, toss them in salt, pepper and the balsamic vinegar. Chop the walnuts roughly and crumble the blue cheese. Divide the rocket leaves and the roasted vegetables among plates. Slice the rested steak finely and arrange it on top of the salad along with the chopped walnuts and the crumbled blue cheese. Bon appétit!
So this is a totally fuss-free recipe. Chop the vegetables, stick them in the oven, and then put your feet up and relax and wait for dinner to be ready. I can't wait to tuck in. As you can see, I've got my fork ready. I hope you enjoyed this. You'll find more videos like this just here. Subscribe to our channels to stay tuned. Bon appétit!